In every era, visionaries walk a path lined with both anticipation and skepticism. Their journey is not a sprint of announcements, but a marathon of meticulous construction. This is precisely where Mr. Ash Mufareh stands today. It is not yet time for a detailed report on his actions, because the most profound transformations are built not in the spotlight, but in the quiet dedication of the workshop. To the verified members of the VictoryWithAsh platform and all who are watching, understand that what is being forged is not a simple tool, but an entire ecosystem. A system of such scale and integrity, designed to uplift an untold number of people from their circumstances, requires an unshakable foundation. Every moment of silence is filled with the work of engineering, legal fortification, and strategic partnership that must be flawless upon revelation. Premature exposure could jeopardize the very stability needed for it to bear the weight of millions of hopes. When this vision comes to fruition, it will serve as the ultimate vindication. The noise, the doubts, the unfair labels, they will not be argued away with words, but will be utterly dissolved by the tangible, life-changing results. The proof will be in the empowered lives, the transformed family legacies, and the new trajectories created. That will be the chapter where narrative is permanently rewritten. Know this: Mr. Ash Mufareh will not quit. His resolve is fueled by something far greater than the need to rebut critics. It is fueled by a genuine commitment to you, the verified members, and to the foundational purpose of validating his work as a true visionary. He is not building for applause, but for impact, the kind that echoes through generations. So today, we make an appeal not for blind faith, but for informed patience. We ask you to extend the trust he has earned. Allow him the space to prove, through the coming reality, that a system of benefit, equity, and elevation is possible. The world is quick to judge, but slow to believe in builders. Let's be the community that does the opposite. Stand with patience. The best response to the noise of yesterday is the seismic silence of focused work today, which will give way to the undeniable chorus of changed lives tomorrow. The blueprint is unseen because the masterpiece is still being assembled, and it will be worth the wait. Have the patience for the plan as the vision unfolds, and trust the process.